Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Jacobs from Ulala Spa, Anti-Aging and Wellness, and we are doing a pearl treatment today. And the pearl is an excellent treatment for fine lines and wrinkles, for skin discoloration, for acne scarring, any other kind of scarring, and texture for the skin. So we have Maureen here with us today. She's waving. See, so it's not that bad. It's not painful. The biggest downside with this treatment is that you do have some downtime with it. So you have about 5 days of redness, and it's really not that bad, but you have to plan this treatment out a little bit. I feel like everybody should have this treatment because all the things that I listed before of what it can do for your skin, but it also has some collagen stimulation, and I missed that. And that's really important as we age because our collagen stimulation slows down. So, and this is Jill, our nurse, who's doing the treatment. Sorry, I forgot to introduce you. So what we're doing with Maureen is we're going to start with the pearl. She will also take some product home with her, which is extremely important in the healing process and also in the maintenance and continuation of collagen stimulation. And then what we're going to do is we'll see her back, and we're going to do some other treatments to help to plump up her cheeks a little bit. I think, would you say your biggest concern is texture, Maureen? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and so I think if you can zoom in right here, this is the textural issues that she's having a little bit on her chin. I mean, overall, her skin's it's not too bad. She has a little bit of brown spots, a little bit of discoloration up here. How's it feeling?
Kind of like a bee sting, I guess.
Okay.
It's not terrible.
Okay, not terrible. And
No.
Are you feeling the heat yet?
No.
Okay, so probably in about 15, 20 minutes, well, probably not even that long, probably 5 minutes, because the treatment doesn't last that long, but probably about 5 minutes, she'll start to feel a little bit of warmth. So anyway, I just wanted to share this treatment. This is the initial step with Maureen's treatment planning, and we're excited to see the result. Hi, we just finished, we're post-pearl, only about 5 minutes out after treatment. As you can see, she's starting to get a little bit red, but actually looks pretty good. We are applying a thin layer of Aquaphor, which will be a protective barrier to her skin that she'll wear for the next couple of days as it starts to epithelialize. And then basically what's going to happen is she's going to have some really, it'll form almost like a mild scab, and then she'll have some really intense peeling about on day 3 to day 4. So how are you feeling right now?
It kind of feels like when you were a teenager and you used alcohol as a astringent. Is the best way I can describe it. It's
So
like
a little bit of burning.
Yes, yeah, but the procedure itself really was, depending on the area, it was a little more uncomfortable, but most areas it was very tolerable.
It wasn't painful?
Mm-mm.
No. How did it feel? Like, was it heat?
It was heat. I don't really know that.
As we were doing her treatment, and I was asking her how she was doing, she said that it felt like little bee stings.
Yeah.
And I would say we hear that probably.
With heat, yeah, with heat, but not like it was really like a burn or anything.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And that's how a lot of patients describe it, as bee stings.
Yeah. It's all worth it. And I felt very comfortable coming in here with no makeup today, and sometimes you don't feel, that confident doing that, but it's been a nice experience.
What's going to happen post-procedure is we burned the top layer, and her body is going to create like a natural dressing or a natural wound healing for the surface, and then that'll happen like day 2 to 3, and then day 4 all of the stuff that we burned off basically is going to slough off and peel. So by day 5, it's pretty amazing the difference by day 5. By day 5, the peeling will be done. A little bit of redness, but easily that redness can easily be covered up with our Color Science makeup. The neat thing is by day 5 already your pores are smaller, the brown is so much better, and the texture of your skin will look a lot better already. And then going forward, a couple, 6 to 8 weeks out, you're going to have more collagen production from the treatment. That doesn't happen, in that first week, but that's that long-term result that you get from this as well.
I'm excited to see what the next 6 to 8 weeks bring then.
Very good. We're excited for you. Alrighty, thank you guys.